which I created for solving English riddles and puzzles. This is my front screen window where I have given three options. Whenever the user will open the game, they will see last played, total score, and the three options to begin the game. I'm clicking on first option, which is unscramble words. I have also added sound effects on clicking using wind sound. Each option contains 10 levels. Here I have also added back option. In guessword there are 10 levels. And the third option is Ford image grid quiz. It also has 10 levels. We will explore line by line what happens in each level. The first is unscramble the words. The first till 4 levels are easy. The 5th till 7 levels are medium, and 8 till 10 are hard. The first word is mall, and here we have also got two options. One is submit and what is hint. If we will take a hint, so it will deduct our life. I'm submitting it. It shows a well done screen after completing any level. Let's go to level number 2. It says sky. Submit. Third, we have to guess, means unscramble cat. And if I will not click on submit, if I will press enter key, it will also get submitted. This is the 4th level. If I will complete this level, so I will get a screen of bronze level. If I will take a hint here, it gives me a hint and also deducted my life. Hint lives in water. So I know the answer is fish. And I got a bronze medal. Likewise, if I will go to the next level, so it is medium. The word, if I see, is future. Submit. If I will go to the 6th level, so it's Python. I can also backspace if I get something mistakenly written. I'm playing the all 10 levels of this game to show the interface of levels. 7th is logic. I got silver medal after completing the 7th level, which is medium. Now, this word is binary. 9th level, this is object. And last level, if I will complete, so it gave me a gold medal. I saw my score, and I have also got the option of back to menu. See, I have lastly played Unscramble game, so I got last played is Unscramble. Now I will just go to the next game to just show the interface. Guess the word, level 1. On starting the level, it directly gives me a clue, a portable computer. If I will start the level, and now I just have to guess it. There is no choice. Now if I will go back and take a hint, it will again give me the hint, but my life will be deducted. So I will type laptop, submit. Now I will go to the third option, which is Ford image grid quiz. I would like to share that I got an inspiration of this grid quiz from Ford Pic one word game. Here is level 1, which I have also integrated the option of hovering and magnifying. If I will just go back, it's not magnified. If I will hover on it, so it is magnified. If I will go with this picture, now it is magnified, so that the people can also see the images closer. If I will guess, so the first image is leaf. It got done. Now I have to guess by the 4 pick, and there is one word, and the one word also consists of 4 words. It is IDE. And this is, I can guess, so 4 image, it's cold, snow, so it's cold. Now if I will complete this 4th level, so I can get a bronze level medal. It's fire, it's burned, so I can make a guess. It's burned. I got a bronze level on it. So I hope you understand about the interface of the game. And there is one more flexibility. If I have played one level, so I can replay it. I can again go on level number 2 and I can play it again. So that was all for my today's video project. Thank you.